morning, afternoon, evening people. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the channel, you know that I got hold of this van that had been abandoned for 5 years. I've done a couple of videos on it already. My intention is to do it up over the winter and to do it all on camera. So if you do want to see that, hit the subscribe button. Now, like I say, I've created a playlist on the channel, van renovation playlist. I did an initial video when I first got the van. You look around it. I cleaned the inside, did a second look around, and now I'm getting the MOT ready. Now, after I finished filming this video, I did go down to the MOT centre. I got a quote for the handbrake and an MOT, so it's actually going for an MOT tomorrow, so that video will be out very soon. First of all, as you can see, needs a really good clean, so we're going to do that. There's also a couple of other things I'm going to talk about as we go through, but first things first, got to clean it. Now, got a slight issue. Where I am now, I've got no water, I've got no power, so I can't just get a jet wash, plug that in and jet wash it. So what I have got is some hot water, a scrubbing brush, some washing up liquid, a bucket and a sponge. So first things first, before the water gets cold, I'm going to try and clean this. Now, I've got Teddy with me here today, he's here to help, aren't you, son? There's been more hindrance. Anyway, so this by far is the worst. The other side's actually alright, because where it was parked, it was abandoned. One side of it was a caravan it was up against, so that side was sheltered. This side was completely exposed to the elements, so we've got this. So I'm going to try and scrub this now. I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, Tony, if you're going to scrub that with a scrubbing brush there, you're going to wreck the paint. To be fair, it's going to need a paint job anyway, so I'm not overly bothered. I just want it clean. And also we're getting a second proper good clean before it gets paint job. Anyway, let's crack on. Underneath there, it's not actually looking too bad, is it? Looking better, isn't it? It's looking better. I couldn't get right to the top. I can't get on the roof. I'll get some step ladders for that. So I'm just on the one side. When I take it for an MOT, there's a car wash place next to the MOT centre, and then I can get a proper jet wash on it and get it done properly. That's definitely looking better. Okay, so a quick look around now and tell you what little bits I've got to do to get it ready for the MOT. Okay, so these side lights, that one wasn't working and those two were. I fixed that one, then that one stopped working. I've gone away, come back, now those two aren't working and that one is. So at least have a good look at them. That's a brand new one. Anyway, yeah. Needs a wheel nut there. I've ordered that on eBay. That is coming. Seized handbrake, which when we towed the vehicle, this side was seized, the other wheel was spinning, so I believe it's this side. It's looking much better. Going to get those few bits of repair work done, try and bang it through an MOT. If you want to see if I can get this through an MOT, do hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.